Hello, everyone, welcome back to Hygespot. When it comes to locking your iPhone, there are a few different options. You can set up a passcode, or set up a Face ID or Touch ID to lock your iPhone. But no matter which locking method you choose, iPhone passcode is needed. The passcode is crucial for locking and unlocking your iPhone. But what if you forgot your iPhone passcode? If you forget your iPhone passcode and keep trying the wrong one, then your iPhone will be locked, and you will not be able to access it. Perhaps you forgot the passcode because it was too complicated, or because you had a lot on your mind that day. Either way, there is still a way to get into your iPhone without the need of passcode. You can restore your iPhone to the factory settings. This will help you remove the forgotten passcode, and then you can access your iPhone again. This video will introduce 3 quick ways to restore your iPhone, so let's get started. The first option is to use Apple's built-in Erase iPhone feature. If you're stuck with a locked iPhone, you can use the Erase iPhone option to restore it back to factory settings. But it will erase all of your data from the iPhone. Erase iPhone is a new feature that is available when upgrading to iOS 15.2 or later. It will appear on the bottom right of the screen, and using this option will help you restore your iPhone. Here are some prerequisites for using Erase iPhone. Your iPhone runs iOS 15.2 or later. A network connection is required. Your Apple ID and password are needed. Step 1. After 7 incorrect password attempts in a row, a warning message saying iPhone unavailable or security lockout will appear on your iPhone screen. And the Erase iPhone option will appear in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap Erase iPhone option. To proceed to the next step, tap the Erase iPhone option again on the Erase All Content and Settings page. After entering your Apple password when prompted, the process of restoring to factory settings will begin automatically. When the reset process is complete, your iPhone will reboot with a hello screen and you can access your iPhone again without a passcode. Then you can follow the prompts to start setting iPhone up and create a new passcode. If you created a backup before your iPhone was locked, then you can restore your lost data during the process of setting up iPhone. You can follow the prompts to the apps and data step and choose to restore the backup from iCloud or your computer. If you do not meet the conditions to use Erase iPhone, then you can try iPhone Unlocker software. When you forgot your passcode, iPhone Unlocker can be used to factory restore your iPhone. It is one of the most convenient ways to help users to restore iPhones without passcode. Using this software, you can restore your iPhone and remove the forgotten passcode from iPhone with a few clicks. First, you need to download the iPhone Unlocker software on your PC or Mac. You can click the first link below this video to download it. After downloading, open it and click on the white passcode option that will take you to the next step. Now, you can plug your locked iPhone into your computer with a working cable. You might have to click on the Device Connected but not recognized link to put your device into the recovery mode, which will help the software to detect your device. Then, confirm your device information. If everything seems right, click the Start option to move further. After you click the Start option, it will start downloading the appropriate iOS software for your device. The downloading will take a few minutes. Once the downloading is complete, a warning box will appear on your computer. After reading, type 0000 and click on the Unlock option to move on. Now let the software do its work. The progress of the restoration process will be shown in the form of a small purple circle. With your iPhone successfully restored to its factory settings, your forgotten passcode has been removed, and you can get into your iPhone without passcode. Then, you can set it up as a new brand device and restore your deleted data from the backup. Apart from the previous two methods, you can force your iPhone into the recovery mode to restore your iPhone. With this method, you need to use iTunes or Finder on your computer. If you're running macOS Catalina or newer, open Finder. If you're running macOS Mojave or older or Windows, open the latest version of iTunes. First, turn your iPhone off and plug it into your computer. Then, put your iPhone into the recovery mode. The way to enter the recovery mode varies depending on the iPhone model. On an iPhone 8 or newer, press and quickly release the volume up button, and do the same with the volume down button, then press and hold the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. On an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, press and hold the side button along with the volume down button until the recovery mode screen appears. On an iPhone 6s or earlier, long press the home button along with the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. Open iTunes or Finder on your computer, select Restore in the small box that asks whether you want to restore or update. Select Restore and Update in the next pop-up box to confirm your choice to restore your iPhone to factory settings. After following the prompts to complete the selection, the iPhone will start the restore process. And this process will take some time. Please make sure that your iPhone is always connected to the computer. And your iPhone should be in the recovery mode during the process. If the iPhone exits the recovery mode, you need to re-enter the recovery mode. When you forget your iPhone passcode, you can use these three methods to restore your iPhone quickly. Hope these three methods can solve your troubles. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and learn more about how to unlock iPhone. Thanks for watching.